triple step. Bounce, step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step.
You want to use the stretch bicaterotractor to bring your back in. Then you want to absorb it with my arm, using only my forearm and not my hand. So don't use the hand, this is the forearm, because you want to use the stretch instead of pushing her with your arm. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, absorb, send. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, absorb, send. What you don't want to do is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, using your hand to push her up, right? So don't do that.
8, rock, step, triple, step, push, down to place. Bounce, step, touch turn. Triple step, rock, step, triple step, absorb, triple step. Great.